Because we're absolutely insane, we're going for a run in this weather.
I'll feel better afterwards.
If we can defrost.
This is nuts. There's other crazy people running as well. We're not the only ones. But this ice makes it really difficult. The run was good this morning. Feeling good?
Yeah.
Now we're off uptown to, what's the place called?
Called Steps.
Steps on Broadway or something like that. Emma's going to do a ballet class. I'm going to get a coffee. So Emma just finished her first dance class at Steps. How was it?
It was good. It felt like a first class.
Yeah?
After a while.
We've got to get ready for that audition in Germany on Sunday.
Yeah.
Sunday. So, time to get back into it. Now with these guys. Hey dudes.
Hello.
And we're going to the Natural History Museum again. Yay. Trader Joe's would be busy.
At least there's no queue outside.
That's true, like that other one, that was nuts. So dinner was great. Had a do-it-yourself nachos type situation going on the table here. Now we're playing a bit of Cards Against Humanity. You having fun?
Yep.
And then the boys are making coffee and tea because, you know, we're super party here. So we just had dinner at the boys' place and they were very kind enough to let us do some washing. Because obviously we're now stuck in New York for another 5 days, so we needed to. So we're going to fold these, hang out where it's still a bit wet, and then we're going to bed. See you tomorrow.